everybody. Welcome to 21 million. Please take a moment to like and subscribe to my page right now. I say this, but nobody listens to me. Definitely just like the video, subscribe. I'm going to have to start getting up earlier. I feel like I just skidded into this live video on two wheels, sideways. Hope everybody has their coffee. Got some coffee today, some water. Changed the lighting in the room. I think I have to lower the light actually, guys. Hold on a second. Yeah, I think that looks a little better. Okay. All right. So let's start the morning off. I know this is old, but from last week it's old. But that video of Vitalik, I just wanted to play it for everybody. So you got this guy. I guess it looks like he's walking through an airport. I don't know where he is. And I have it muted. There was no sound. There was just stupid music playing over it. He's weird. I wonder what the person was saying that was holding the camera to make him stand up straight and walk weird. He's got a handler. Of course, he's got a bodyguard. I'm surprised he only has one bodyguard, too. That's super weird. What a weird dude. But thank God we trust all our money with him, right? But let's take a look at the market. Yesterday we closed friggin' awesome. And you could definitely tell the shorters were out yesterday, definitely. So a couple things. $1.1 trillion market cap. 24-hour volume is at 70 billion. It's up from yesterday, which is crazy. It's up significant. Like 40% higher. And I went back, so the last bull run, the market cap, the volume was about 190 billion. So we got a little ways to go before we start seeing those big movements. And that's probably another indicator to look for when we start to get a little toppy, would be that volume surging. All the FOMO. Bitcoin's at 24,866, having a hard time getting over 25 and sustaining. I want to take a look at the 200-week moving average and see what it's at. I didn't look at it yesterday. Ethereum's at 1707. BNB's at 317, down a little bit from last week. XRP's at 39 cents. Cardano's at 40 cents. Matic's at $1.49. And I keep on saying that beginning of last week. End of last week was at $1.15. Would have been a nice pump. Dogecoin's at 88 cents. And Solana's at $26. I've been telling everybody just put a few bucks in every week. Dollar cost averaging. I mean, if you would have been doing that, I wish all my friends would have listened to me. But let's take a look also at biggest gainers and losers. Let's see what we got here. I want to see for the last 24 hours. Yeah, CFX, stacks, they were on yesterday for the week too. I think they're up. Let's take a look. Yeah, CFX is up 500% in a week. And another one was Filecoin, was pumping 75% over 7 days. Helium's up 10%, Sandbox 10%, Solana's up was big. Over $25 is huge. That was $12 not that long ago. I think November, obviously, with the big crash. IOTA, I haven't heard that in a while. Up 5.5%. Everything's up right now. The market is green and flush. So let's look at the fear and greed index. It's at, let me just refresh it, make sure it's accurate. 58, so we're getting a little greedy. The last couple months, or the last month, at least the last few weeks, it's been neutral, and we went into the greed. So I wonder how that shakes out. And I wonder what it was leading up to January. Hold on, we can take a look right here. No. Let's go max. And let's go July of 2019. can I? Yeah, see, it spiked up. Well, it's June. Yeah, June. Yes, it was a 78, 80, a 95 in June of 2019, which was that where we bumped our head off of the previous, right before the bull run in 2019. Hold on, let me pull up the chart and I'll show everybody. Yeah, so here, this is the weekly. So, and I know I do this all the time, but let's take a look right here. So the golden ratio right here, our golden pocket. Let's see. Right here. Bada bing, bada boom. So yeah, we bumped our head. It was probably June. Yeah, June of 2019. So that's where the fear and greed index had hit the about 90 right here. I wish you can zoom in on this. But yeah, 90, 95, 26th of June. So that'd be a good sign to see if we're on the same, hold on, the same track as last time. The last bull run, we bumped our head off of this. This time I think it's going to be a little bit different. We're definitely going to move up hard, sharp. But let's take a look. Let me put a... Oh, this is the monthly. Sorry, guys. I was thinking it was the weekly. But yeah, it was still June. June of 2019. So the monthly, let's take a look at... Let's take a look here at the monthly. So we have the green momentum dot, and we have the momentum curving in. We also have the VWAP had cut across the zero in the monthly. It's all bullish stuff, and hopefully this VWAP can sustain. I want to see what it was like. I like looking at history, guys, and what it did previously. So similar. This was the bottom. VWAP cut in. Momentum dot. VWAP pushed higher, and then we went into that summer. So it seems like this bull run is gonna rhyme. Hopefully, we don't have another black swan event like we did here. This whole cup was COVID. So let's see. Let's go down to the weekly, and I'll show you a play that I got into yesterday. I missed out on, actually. So weekly, same idea. Yesterday, like I had said during the live broadcast, the VWAP is staying high, which is good. We want that to stay over the zero. If it starts to cut in, we're going to see a downward movement. We've got a couple bull dots, golden triangles. We have the trend reversal, which we see over here and over here. We see it twice last time because of the COVID. COVID happened here. Otherwise, I think we would have moved higher. So let's keep on looking. Let's go down to the daily and see if we see anything. I got to turn my chat on. I don't have the chat on ever. I think the light too. The light's making my face look red. Let's see. Let's look on the daily. So it looks like we have support here. And maybe we have a little channel forming. Maybe something like that. Maybe. It'd be good if... I don't want to cut down. I don't want nothing. I want to go up. I want to stay bullish. Even though it's possible, we could retest it and then move up. Let's see some of the Fibonacci levels. Let's do this one right here. So yeah, it looks like we're getting rejected off of the I can't even read the one level, the 25,198. That looks to be our spot. we got to get over that. So maybe we do come down and retest this area. I wonder if that aligns. Let's take a look. If we put this here and this here. So it's possible. I mean, we could go sideways and then bounce somewhere over here, touch that golden pocket area, and then move up. I mean, it is possible. What date would that be, that intersection? March 28th. I don't even think it happens that late, guys. I think we move past. I think we move on here. But let's take a look. Let's go a step higher. Let's go up here for the Fibonacci. Similar, we bounced off the 0.5 right here, and then the breakthrough would be the 25,982, which we haven't even gotten close. I think this is definitely a higher level, that 25,198 than I said before. So yeah, I think that's more significant than we get over that. So I'm going to mark that actually. Nope. Let's mark this, because this seems to be significant. Yeah, that level right there, 25,218. So that seems like one that we keep on bumping ahead right here. And I wonder if there was any others. Oh, look, right there. Yeah, this is definitely a significant area. So we have it here, obviously. We keep on having issues here. Major fall through here, and then we bumped off it there. So yeah, it's a couple times just recently. Let's go across and see if there's any other intersections. Some of my doodles from yesterday. Yeah, right here again, same thing. What was that? This is the rise. This was December of 2020. So yeah, right here, sharp movement through it. Looks like we had some trouble in that area, kind of like we are right now. Yeah, there's going to be a sharp movement up, I think, if history repeats. We're kind of doing this something similar. Interesting. I don't think we came close to it before, yeah. All right. Guys, I still have my morning voice. Ugh. All right. Let's go further down. And then we'll get into some news. Let's go to the 4 hour and see if we see anything. So same idea. I think this is the nice support right there. We tested it twice. Well, we really tested it 3 times right there. Second time, third time. Yeah. And we could even be above something right here. It's interesting. But yesterday I saw, let me show you the play that I saw that I didn't get in on. And actually I want to try the 200 weekly moving average. So I saw here on the 1 hour, I saw a hidden divergence right here. Right there, and then down below, right there. And I said, this is because this right here was almost at the close yesterday, and that's just the shortest. You know, people were shorting the hell out of it yesterday, and Bitcoin's just gonna crush them, which it did. So I said, let me get into a play. But it was late when that happened. It was probably about midnight where I am, and I was going to bed. So I put a buy order in at 24.3. I was hoping to catch like a little wick down, and then maybe overnight I put, nice stop losses and a take profit. And then sure enough, it never wicked down. I just got unlucky. But I saw it on the 1 hour, and then it was also on the 2 hour. So same thing right here. We have price action going up, momentum going down, opposite, hidden divergence. And then on the 3 hour, I didn't see it anymore. So I wasn't overly confident. I like when I see it, at least till the 4 hour. which it wasn't there. So I didn't get into that play, but I wish I did. Okay. Let's take a look at a couple more coins. There was a couple of things I wanted to look at today. Big movers, ICP. So it looks like ICP is consolidating again. I'm on the 2 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour. And then I'll look at the daily. Yeah, this might be a good spot actually to get into a play. Right there. It's in the green. How flush. Momentum's coming down. The VWAP is curving in. Look at this. This might be one I want to get into right now. Look at that. I can see it's bouncing, finding support. We could move up again. That's a good one. That's on the 4 hour. I wonder how far the VWAP is cutting over. Look at that. Look at supple. The 5 hour, 6 hour, it starts to flatten out. 7 hour too. 8 hour, I wonder if there's any divergences. Yeah, look, there is. So here, get the price action going up, momentum going down. I wonder, that might be something to consider, guys. So we have, it's bearish and it already went down. Something to consider. So let's see. Let's look at a couple more today. I don't ever get to do this with you guys, but it's early. I wanted to look at Matic too. See, Matic originally got me a little nervous. I just felt like it was such a rising wedge, and it did break down. Let's look at the daily. Jesus, look at my charts. Hold on. Actually, it looks like it broke above. It broke out of the channel and up, the one that I had. Even my channel's not right. This isn't right. Hold on. Hold on, everybody. Let's see what we got here. This is incorrect. This is probably more accurate. You know what it is? I like to clone the bottom line, because I feel like that's a better channel. I don't know why that's doing that. That's better. Yeah, so maybe I'm wrong. No, it's gotta widen. Unless it goes through a body over here. I don't know. It looks like it's broken out though. I mean, any way you slice it. I wonder if it starts to move, if we see a movement up now, before we see that, finding it a support. That should be interesting. And one more thing I want to look at. Let's look at something else. I want to look at let's look at the 200 day. So yeah, we had trouble getting through it. Went over, bounced off and up. This is Bitcoin. Yeah, that's nice. This is good. This is good stuff. Let's look at the weekly. I want to see where we stand. Yeah, that level, right? That fib level and the 200 day is right at the same spot. Super interesting. Guys, take a moment if you can. Just like and subscribe to my page. It takes 2 seconds. Just like and subscribe. But let's get into other things. Like my headline, my thumbnail said today, the Ripple news. Ripple. with the CBDCs. It says, this is on Coinpedia. Ripple lawsuit, top crypto attorney reveals the SEC's only hope for a win. And just to go down, this is kind of like the dumbest article I've ever seen. The only victory that the agency could hope to achieve is to establish that Ripple offered XRP as an unregistered. Ripple offered XRP as an unregistered security during the period of 2013 to 2017. However, the attorney also noted that it believes that the likelihood of a jury trial is higher than what most people believe. So, that's the whole point. That's what they're trying to prove. I don't know what this article is trying to say. The only thing that was a little concerning was that the attorney says that they might go to jury trial, which then you have to, you don't know what the jury's going to be. You don't know what it's going to consist of. You can get a bad jury and it can turn the other way. I'm surprised Ripple's letting it go that far and not trying to settle. Settling probably wouldn't be good. You'd want to see them win. You want to win that, not settle, because it seems like you're guilty if you settle. But there was more Ripple news. So here, let's take a look. So this one, will Ripple sign Singapore as the next CBDC customer? So Bitcoinist, blah, blah, blah. They signed up Montenegro. They signed up with the Digital Pound Foundation, which is pretty bullish. The CBDCs are no joke, and they're inevitable. But I'm very bullish on Ripple. I think it's inevitable that they're going to get used, and what's going to happen with the SEC is that they're going to end up walking out holding hands, the SEC and Ripple. There's no way in every other country it's not a security, and then here it's going to be a security, and then other countries are going to use it as the basis of their CBDC. How's that going to work? So 100% that's going to happen, and they know that. The other part, just another article about ushering in the CBDCs. San Francisco Federal Bank CBDC system development reveals job posting. So the Federal Reserve Bank of San Francisco is looking for a software engineer to help develop and implement systems related to the central bank digital currency. On February 18th, the San Francisco Fed posted a job opening for a senior application developer digital currency. Given the dollar's important role, Federal Reserve System seeks to further understand the cost and benefits of the potential technologies for the central bank digital currencies and how the system better understand better understand this emerging field. So just another article. CBDCs are inevitable and we have to resist. And one more article before I let you guys go. Judge suggests jail to hinder Sam Bankman-Fried's electronic use. This guy's like crazy. This guy's got like his last chance at freedom, and he's like supposedly watching the Super Bowl with a VPN like a moron. So the judge noted that the judge said has done things that suggest he might be. It says to me that maybe he has committed or attempted to commit federal felony while on release. Kaplan was alluding to a claim by prosecutors that Sam Bankman-Fried sent an encrypted message over the Signal texting app on January 15th to the General Counsel of FTX US. So, and then he said he was watching the Super Bowl. This guy's crazy. This is it, dude. This is your last time you're going to see daylight, and you're like playing around. Like, you have no chance at winning this case. But anyway, guys, make sure you like and subscribe to my page, and I will see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m.